guys, so today we have the wireless lavalier microphone. It's by a company called Seacock. I'm not quite sure, it's CKOKC. It's a dual wireless microphone for iPads and iPhones, the old generation of iPads, because it's connected via USB Thunderbolt, which is for obviously the iOS devices. On the back here we have plug and play, which is quite simple. You just kind of plug it into the bottom of the phone and it plays. It's got 20 meters of accessible reception, it says. By other reviews it says to have a bit longer than that, but disturbed through walls obviously. Highly sensitive, clear timbre, widely compatible and precise audio. So yeah, I'll go through a testing of the microphone later. Right now this is just going to be recorded on an iPhone, so you can tell the difference when I put in the mic. Its wireless transmission is quite useful. Yeah, as I said, just plug it in, you can clip it onto your shirt, it comes with a clip, and yeah, I'll just unbox it for you now actually, why not. It comes in a case. I did not know that. I'll tell you what, it's only £30, and on a Prime deal I got it for just above £20, like £10 off. So you know what, coming in a case is quite a bit of a plus. Don't expect that with £30 in it. Comes with a user guide. We'll figure it out later. Yeah, it kind of just has a clip here. You just whack it onto a shirt, whatever you want, and it'll just record. A bit more about the microphone itself before we actually go ahead and test it out. It's got roughly 6 hours of working time, it claims, and 65 feet of operating range. It's also got pretty good latency. Hands-free is probably why you want to use it the most. I recommend it for anyone starting streaming or just simple stuff, or like if you'd rather have a bit higher audio quality when you're recording and you're going further away from the camera. This is very, very ideal for those circumstances, especially at a price point between 20 and 30. There's a lot of similar mics that you can get, but this one I'm going for, there's a lot of similar ones on Amazon. They're all basically the same, but this one has just shy of 700 reviews on it and 4.3 stars, so I thought I'd pick it up. And again, sorry, just about which iPad it supports. It supports the iPad Air series, apart from this recent one, which is the iPad M1. iPad Pro series until the M1 again, because that's when it came, you know. The USB-C got introduced, the iPad Mini up till the most recent one. iPads 2, 3, 4, and maybe, I think, I'm not sure, but 2, 3, and 4 definitely. Yeah, and then all the iPhones up until the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which I currently have, but the, oh my god, my camera is shaking so much. But the 15 Pro Max, I'm not quite sure what the deal is there, but apparently it's coming with USB-C. So if that's an issue for you, you won't really be able to use this with the latest iPhone coming out in the next year. But if you're going to keep your phone for another 2 or 3 years, then yeah, I'm sure. Anyways, I'm pretty sure like all these devices will get updated by the time that phone comes out. So the case is like, it's meant to be, obviously you can tell it's meant to be microfiber, but it's like some sort of like leather with some brushed painting. I'm not quite sure, but it's definitely not microfiber, I'll give you that. The inside is really soft, I'll tell you what. And if you don't want to use it for this, you can use it for a lot of other stuff, I can tell. But it, you know, it's quite nice. What is it? Is it USB-C? Oh, it's USB-C. How wonderful is that? We love USB-C nowadays. Yeah, and as there's 2 microphones, I might just give it a test right now, actually. Why not? Well, I'm going to assume that it's charged. If not, taking a bit of an L here. So just, oh. Shit. Alright, so I'm pretty sure I just plugged this into my phone, which we're going to do now.
Me not realizing. The audio has switched to the mic, and now you can hear me talk for the next 5 minutes.
Right, so I've got it clipped onto my shirt here. This is the audio currently with the microphone. Yeah, again, this can be used for a lot of scenarios. It's quite useful having 2 microphones, because that means you can give it to a partner or a friend, especially in interviews. You can both have a microphone clipped onto your shirt and talk like so. I also did just want to say that you got to remember the phone is right next to me when recording this video, and the mic is meant to be used quite far away. So that's the advantage, and that might be why the mic quality is a bit of a good trade-off. Because I've realised after reviewing the footage that the mic is a little worse, but in comparison, when you think about it being further away from you, it's not that bad. Alright guys, well, thank you for watching. This is the microphone that I bought, by the way. It's increased in price because the deal's ended, but the best thing is it's on warranty as well, which is the best thing about it. And yeah, that's all. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Alright, bye guys.